This is the unboxing of the March mystery tackle box. Okay, let's get right into this and open up my mystery tackle box, March 2015. Oh, this surprise is sponsored by Berkeley, I see. Okay, and we got some red and white confetti instead of brown like normal. Oh, didn't see this coming. We got line. Looks like Trilene 14-pound extra tough line. Don't usually see this in a mystery tackle box. This will be very useful. Next up, we got a spray scent. Ooh, this will be very great. I hope it gave us something to put this scent on. I wasn't expecting this either. Dang. This will be very useful. Next up, let's see what we got. We got a... It's looking like a flicker shad. This, oh, it's black and silver. Looks like it'll be good during the mornings and stuff. Has a very long bill, probably dives 6 to 8 feet. Oh, it has a rolling action. This will be very useful too. You can roll it across, reel it in real fast. Okay, so next we got a power bait. It is a fighting bug power bait used with a 4/0 hook. 3.5 inches. This looks really great. This has got to have a ton of action. And I love this color. It's black with blue sprinkles. I'm going to call it sprinkles. Let's do that. Okay. That's probably what the spray's for, to use on that. Oh, and here's another worm. Oh no. This isn't a worm. Oh, it's a Cinco. Yes, 4.5-inch Cinco. This will be really great during the days. Slowly bounce it across the bottom of the lake. This will be really good. Perfect. I can also use the spray on this. I don't know, I've never used a spray. Tell me in the comments if sprays are good or not. Okay. Now we got a card, like normal. Then we got the Berkeley sticker and the mystery tackle box sticker, no biggie. Then we got the magazine. Oh, and that's where the prices are. They're on the front cover, as you can see right here. You can see all my prices, blah, blah, blah. Do, 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 do.